Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Quick second to thank all the channel members. Thank you all so much. And welcome any of you that might be new or haven't had a chance yet. If you're just stopping by, I'd love it if you'd stop down and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It would really help the channel and it'll keep you notified when we get new content like unboxing videos and when I have live streams, things like that. So this is kind of a mixed bag, partial redemption video, partial I'm not sure why I ordered it video from Amazon. Unboxing knife is going to be the Kungwu Padre, which we unboxed earlier. Spoiler alert, it is good. So this package consists of a couple of different things. One you're not going to be interested in, but it is a blade. So we got some Fiskars blades. We got a black box. So guys, the Fiskars Carbide Max blades, I picked those up for my Surge and another utility titanium folder I ordered last night. And then this is really what I wanted to share with you guys. Remember the video last week where I had the Eafengrow that looked like another knife that was a great knife, except for the fact that it looked exactly like another knife. So this is the Eafengrow EF9, I think that's 905 folder. It's another overbuilt kind of, let's use our Surge Panchenko slip joint to get in here. This is another overbuilt knife. This is one of the ones I was talking about that didn't really appeal to me necessarily as much. Oh, look, it comes with a little cleaning cloth. They're up in their game. And then it'll come with a very oily knife. A very big oily knife. And this is a little bit different. And it is a very big oily knife that is made out of 14C28N in titanium instead of D2 in titanium. So first thing I notice is this knife is also perfectly centered. It is a large overbuilt titanium folder, frame lock with the titanium clip. This seems to be pretty good. Titanium back spacer. I don't know why that's not color matched with that. Not a big deal, just an observation. It's a flipper deployment with thumb studs. It is a big, beefy knife. Let's see how the cutting edge is. The blade geometry is more of a tear, but it's definitely sharp from the factory. So guys, this is the EF906 and 14C28N. See what I was talking about on this particular variation. You've got some branding on the blade. You've got the EF on the blade. You do have this big chunky frame lock. You can light switch it, push button it, thumb stud it, reverse finger flick it. It's got a big handle, kind of a fail on the sharpening choil. I mean, it's the way this plunge comes down, it comes down about right here in the sharpening. So it's not a total failure, but it is, I don't know why they did it like that. It probably has to do with the lockup. Let's see. Anyways, guys, this is an unboxing of the Eafengrow EF905. It is one of the many Eafengrows. I say many, there are about 5 that I've seen on Amazon that are overbuilt titanium slab knives. The one that I shared with you that looked like the other manufacturer's knife is, as far as knives go, it's an amazing knife. The quality is amazing. This knife I want to put through the paces, but the build quality appears to be identical from the fasteners to the blade to the way that it's got a crisp detent. You guys know I'm not a thumb flicker guy, but I am a middle finger flicker guy. And for as big and heavy as that blade is, it's on bearings, I think. I don't think this one's on washers. No? This may be on phosphorus bronze washers too. We'll take it apart down the road. We'll get an idea. But guys, again, just an unboxing. Had to bring in one, and y'all put in the comments if this one looks like anything to you. Two big honking slabs of titanium, big 14C 28M blade. This knife, I want to say, was $75 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and I'll do a full review on it when I've carried it for a while and let you know how it goes. Guys, I appreciate you stopping by the channel. I always appreciate you stopping by the channel. I appreciate it if you've taken the time to subscribe. I want to thank all the channel members. Even if you haven't taken the time to subscribe, I'm just glad you guys come by and check out the content. I hope you find it enjoyable, entertaining, informative, maybe is what I'm looking for. But guys, most importantly, thank you. And please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.